The challenge is to go to a thrift store and spend $50 at that store, and then we'll release our first video showing you guys the haul of everything that we got with that $50. Then there will be a follow-up video a month later on November 30th showing you guys everything that has sold from that $50 haul. The person with the most net profit made off of the items that they sold from their haul will get a prize. First up, from the small thrift store, we have a Bryant dress, size 20. Super cute, super pretty, leopard print, Hobie Hopperin, extra small. It's a linen blend top with really pretty detail at the end of the sleeves, some embroidery, tassels. We have a pair of Madewell jeans. They are the skinny style in a size 25. And I found a pair of Lucky Brand. These are the Brook skinny style, and they're a great size 8. Love selling size 8. From the men's section, we got a pair of Levi's 501. I never find 501, like never. This is a pair of pink Victoria's Secret jogger sweatpants. I'm always looking out for joggers, sweatpants, loungewear in general. And the last item is another Victoria's Secret. These are another pair of joggers, 65% modal. Can always feel the modal because it's so, I'm always like, oh, it's so soft. It must be modal. Hi guys! Thanks for joining me for the follow-up video to the $50 thrift haul challenge video that I did about a month ago. If you may recall, this is in collaboration with a bunch of other reselling YouTubers, so make sure to check out the description down below for all of their videos so that you can go check out everyone else's channel after you watch my video. Or if you're coming over from somebody else's channel, welcome! And it's so great to have you. My name is Macy and I am a full-time fashion reseller, and on this channel I put out reselling content to help you succeed in your reselling business. So if that sounds like something that interests you, feel free to hit subscribe down below and tap that notification bell so that you know next time I put out a new video. Let's get into what things I actually managed to sell as part of my $50 haul. I picked up 7 things to resell, and 4 of them have sold over the course of this month. 3 of them are remaining to sell. I'm going to talk a little bit about each one and let you know how much I profited from each one. So the first one was a pink Victoria's Secret Spell Out Waistband joggers. They sold on Facebook Marketplace for $25. And I made a profit of $18.46 after fees and my cost of goods of $5.29. They only took 3 days to sell, so fast flip there. These joggers got a ton of interest as soon as I listed them, so I'm not surprised that they were a fast flip. And this was my highest profiting flip of the bunch because they sold on Facebook Marketplace, and Facebook Marketplace just has the lowest fees. So I was able to push out a bigger profit for this item than I would have if it had sold on any other platform. The next sale that I want to talk about is a pair of Lucky Brand Brook skinny jeans. Those sold on Poshmark for $27, and I made a profit of $13.11 after considering fees, a $1.50 shipping discount, and my cost of goods, which were $6.99 for these jeans. They only took 4 days to sell, and this is one of those styles of Lucky Brand jeans that consistently sell pretty well for me, so definitely keep on the lookout for the Brook skinny style. And if you come across any style of Lucky Brand jeans and you're not sure that it has a good resale value, make sure to run your comps before picking them up, because some styles are worth paying almost $7 for, and some you might want to only pick it up if you find it at the bins or for $1 or not at all. The next sale was a Bryant leopard print dress. It sold on Poshmark for $35, and I made a profit of $15.50 after considering fees, again a $1.50 shipping discount, and my cost of goods, which were $11. That only took 1 day to sell, so that was my fastest flip of the bunch. And I was honestly shocked that out of the 7 items that I picked up to resell, this was the one that would be my fastest flip. I was not expecting that at all, but I've been having really good luck with animal prints lately. If you haven't picked up an animal print dress in a while, definitely give it a chance if you happen to run across one. Also, plus sizes are always a good thing to pick up and have available in your closet if you don't have plus size items available right now. And the last sale I want to tell you guys about is a pair of Madewell skinny jeans. They sold on Poshmark for $23 and I made a profit of $9.91 after fees. Again, a $1.50 shipping discount and $6.99 cost of goods. They took 10 days to sell. I was very happy to see these go. I knew that they wouldn't go for a whole lot because they were not even a mid-rise. I think they were a low-rise pair of jeans, and that's just not that desirable right now, so they were kind of an older style, but I was happy to make almost $10 in profit off of those jeans. So whenever you add up the profit from the 4 items that I sold, my total profit for this challenge was $56.98. I know I could have done better if I had sourced from maybe a Goodwill bins or had tried harder to get the dollar day items and stuff, but I didn't plan out as well as I could have, and I was paying full price for a lot of the things that I picked up for this challenge, so I didn't have that many challenge items to sell, and then the items that I did pick up didn't all sell. So I'm sure that someone else in that big list of other resellers competing in this challenge down below have had a higher net profit than me over the course of this month for the items that they sold. So I'm very excited to go check out all their other videos and see who won. Before I let you go, let me talk real quick about the items that didn't sell. The first was a pair of Levi's 501 men's jeans. These have been getting a lot of attention on Facebook Marketplace, so they probably will sell on there soon, which is exciting because, once again, highest profits are on Facebook Marketplace because the fees are so low. And then the Colby Halperin blouse, I think it's going to be my longest tail item to sell. I'm probably gonna have to wait a little while for the right buyer to come along because it's just not as well known of a brand. I don't think as many people are searching it out as they might be for a pair of Levi's or Lucky Brand or Victoria's Secret, you know? But I do think I will make a really good profit on that top, probably better than any of these other items. And the last thing that did not sell, which honestly I'm shocked, is the pair of Victoria's Secret modal joggers. These have been getting just as much attention as that first pair of pink Victoria's Secret joggers that I talked about. So I'm not really sure why these haven't sold yet. I relisted them recently. They got a ton of likes as soon as I relisted them. Thought they might sell. They just haven't. Sometimes you just gotta wait for these things. What can you do? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this follow-up. If you did, please give me a like down below. And if you haven't already and you're liking my reselling content, hit that subscribe button and change the notification bell to all so that you get notifications every time I put out a new video. Go check out everyone else's videos in the description down below, and I hope that you all have a wonderful rest of your day, everybody. Bye!